Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. Google! Are they interested in AI at all? They only mentioned it like 1, 2, 3 billion times in the first 5 minutes of Google I.O. this year. Like, Android didn't even register on the radar of Google I.O. this year, and for good reason. I mean, most of the operating system updates across the board from any manufacturer, not all that interesting, not really newsworthy. Maybe for geeks and nerds, but, not anybody else. AI was far more important to talk about, in my humble opinion, and in many humble opinions, or even not so humble opinions. Now, you might want to talk about the hardware. Okay, let's talk about the hardware. Pixel Fold, Pixel Tablet, they're awesome. They're so cool. 5 years ago, 10 years ago, the best Google tablet of all time was the Nexus 7. Perfect price point, perfect size, perfect everything for what it needed to be at the time. But a Pixel tablet today, even at its somewhat reasonable price, $500, some would argue, is a little too much. I'm going to keep on that point of price because we're going to talk about the Fold. Now, some people love the foldable phones and the flippable phones. I'm not someone who flips and folds. I'm not going to, belabor that point. You may be interested in that. But here's the problem. It costs $1,700. And people today don't even want to pay $250 for a Pixel phone, a regular Pixel phone, a non-flippable foldable phone. They won't even pay that. So I don't understand. I mean, I conceivably, I know what Google's trying to do, but I don't understand how anybody could see this actually working. It's good that we've got competition for sure, but the prices are out of touch with today's market. Like, these products, these types of products that Google's rolling out today, again, were great. Great ideas, perfect ideas 5 years ago, but I don't know if they're going to work today. Not because I don't want them to.